So today it's a too much special video because today I am just going to just discuss about a particular experience. Actually, with the help of proper communication and with the help of proper and attractive personality, we can make our career in medical field as an MR. The full form of MR is medical representative. Actually, many guys who don't know, so they can also understand in this manner that medical representative is a medium of the chain who just convince the doctors about the company's product. So आप कई बार डॉक्टर्स के पास बैठते हैं तो देखते होंगे कि बैग वैग ले करके एक साहब टाई वाई लगा करके और प्रोफेशनल से दिखने वाले बंदे डॉक्टर्स के पास आते हैं और वो डॉक्टर्स को अपने प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बताते हैं. तो ये आप कई बार देखते हैं तो वो मेडिकल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव वही कहलाते हैं और इसको इंग्लिश में इसका फुल फॉर्म है मेडिकल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव, शॉर्ट में MR भी बोलते हैं. तो मार्केट में मेडिकल लाइन में एक बहुत बड़े चेन का काम, बहुत बड़ा मीडियम का काम ये करता है और MR जो होता है वो बंदा वो कंपनी के प्रोडक्ट्स की जो मार्केटिंग है उसको वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बढ़ाने की कोशिश करता है और उसके लिए अच्छी खासी सैलरी और बहुत अच्छा करियर. अगर करियर ग्रोथ की बात करें तो करियर ग्रोथ भी बहुत अच्छा है. इस फील्ड में बहुत सारे बंदे काम करते हैं और समय के साथ जैसे जैसे टाइम आगे जाता है, 1 साल 2 साल 3 साल एक्सपीरियंस, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द एक्सपीरियंस अच्छी खासी ग्रोथ आ जाती है. और अगर हम उसको कंपैरेटिव वे में अगर गवर्नमेंट जॉब से लेके चलें तो मेरे समझ से जितनी भी मीडियम क्लास की जॉब्स होंगी वो उनका एक जो लेवल और उनमें एक जो ग्रोथ मिलेगी आपको वो सारी ग्रोथ यहाँ पे मिलेगी. लेकिन यहाँ पे जो ग्रोथ है उसके लिए लिमिटेशन नहीं है. यहाँ पे कैलिबर की ज़रूरत है और हार्ड वर्क की ज़रूरत है. इफ़ यू हैव द कैलिबर, इफ़ यू हैव द गुड हार्ड वर्क, so definitely within very short term, within 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, you can be the manager of the company. So there is a no limitation of time foundation for getting growth. तो एक अच्छी खासी ग्रोथ आपको अगर अचीव करनी है तो उसके लिए ये फील्ड अच्छे मेहनत करने वाले लोगों के लिए, अच्छा काम करने वालों के लिए, लोगों के लिए और ऑनेस्ट बंदों के लिए ये फील्ड है जो कि अपने काम के प्रति हु आर डिवोटी देयर वर्क्स एंड दे कैन जस्ट ज्वाइन दिस फील्ड. सो ओनली दे हैव टू बी द ग्रेजुएट एंड दे शुड हैव proper communication skill and they should have an attractive personality which is very compulsory. So these all the things make professional and fit for this job. तो चलते हैं हम लोग इस बारे में आगे. Welcome to Sri J Classes and today I am here to just tell you about so much experience by those realities which can prove that definitely with the help of proper communication skill, with the help of being professional, definitely we can make a bright career. And this is a best example and no doubt there are a lot of examples and a lot of people who are just making their career with the help of communication skill and with the help of an attractive personality. But here in front of you I have one guy who is also really interested to share his experience with you. Actually in starting when he doesn't know about the career and how can make his career, actually here the very important thing, BPO sectors and in medical sector as an MR. Today I am just going to just give you chance to meet with that person who is working also as an MR in medical field. Many bachelors, many youths who are ready to search a job and this is not a problem for them. How can they make their career? And only with the help of communication skill and with the help of an attractive personality they can just get a job. And how it will be possible? You can just listen it, and you can just get all the things in reality by with the help of that particular guy, and that is Mr. Abhijit. Hi Abhijit, how are you?
Fine.
So actually, definitely, when you were just taking the class, so at that time, what you were feeling when I was just motivating you? So you have to get a chance to just make your career in medical sector as an MR. So at that time, how you were feeling, and now after getting the job and you are working in a very branded company, in multinational company in topmost companies, so definitely how are you feeling? So what is the difference between the experience of those days?
So first of all, I would like to say thanks to Shri sir, who have gave me this opportunity to share my view in front of you all. And I just wanted to say that it's an amazing experience to me, and throughout my journey with Shri sir. And when I first entered to Shri sir's classes, and I have searched many of them that they don't know about the career that through they don't know about the career that where they want to go in their life. And one of them, I was also one of them. And then I had started working on it, and Shri sir helped me a lot throughout my career. And yes, that was all my experience. And now I am working in LMB Pharmaceutical, the topmost company. And these are all the things. You just have to be confident about your career, and you just have to be focused towards your career.
One thing is very clear. Today you have just taken. Suppose in starting when the student is just joining the class. So at that time he has no one information about that. I feel that many times it happened. Many students are coming and they don't know how they can make their career and in which field they have to go. They have no one clear decision, and they have no one particular way and means options. So in case of absence of options, I think it's a great challenge. Not only for them, it's a great challenge for me also. How can to just declare their particular view and particular way where option of career by which they can make their career. So in that condition, when I am just suggesting to all of the students, so in class and in many students, because of locality, because of the background, they have no more experience, they have no more information about that. So many times in class also you have looked at that many students, they doesn't know, they don't know that how can they make their career in such type of field. Means when I'm just telling them, so they are just dreaming how it will be possible. So at that time, how were you feeling? That means you were confident, no doubt. But the reality is that for making confident, I think it's a great challenge for a student and for me also. So for you also, it was a challenge at that time.
Yes, of course. Why not? Everybody has their own stuff, and I was little scared about my career when I was started this. But the thing is, you just have to explore, and you just have to be search out the things which through which you get confident. And that's all. I just want to say that you should be learning. You should be learn towards your career, and everything is possible. Nothing is impossible. Yeah, that's it.
But the very important thing, one thing I want to also share here, there are a lot of many students who have just completed their communication, and after completing their communication, today they are just working in many multinational companies, and they are in a very high post also, and they are getting day by day promotions also, and they are well satisfied. Here the very important thing, they are well satisfied with their career. This is very important. After a long period, when they are just spending 2 years, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years, because since last 15 years, 16 years, I am working in this field. So today 10 years, 12 years, 15 years students I have who are working in this field, and day by day they have got better position and promotions. So they are well satisfied, and many times I am just discussing with them. So they are just sharing their views that sir, there is no doubt after just taking the decision to join this field, I'm not in confusion, and I have no problem. Means my decision was right at that time. Not only because of me, it's a credit of them also.
Them also.
So here, in your case, definitely I know very well you have not spent a lot of time, only 2 months, 2 years and 2.5 years. Sometimes you have spent. So after this experience, what you find that means after joining this field, this decision was right or not, according to you and for you?
Yes, see, the thing is, you just have to acknowledge the thing that what is right or what is wrong. So the case is, if you are not acknowledge the thing that what is right or what is not, you cannot go through with that. So when I started, I just a little bit confused about that is I'm doing right or not. But the thing is, Shri sir has helped me a lot. You just have to be take guidance from them, and take guidance from the teachers who had knowledge about the things. Through them you can go ahead, and that's all I can say. And yes,
Abhijit, one thing I want to also say, there are many students like I want to also just take here. I don't take those names
Yes.
because there is a big line,
Yes,
big
yes,
line.
of course.
So I can't take many students when they will also watch. So they will say, sir, why Shri sir not has taken the name, and why this interview, this video
Sure.
has not made with me. So definitely I want to just say with them that next time I will just take other students who have just made their right career in many sectors, and definitely they will also share. And one thing I want to say, that in class also I always gave this chance to just talk with newcomers and to motivate others who are working in such fields. So here with the help of this video also, I think it will be also profitable for those guys especially who have no one target, who have no one perfect decision, and who doesn't know that they are searching, they want to their bright career, but they have no one options.
Yes.
And how, if they know well in this field, so then they don't have this information, how can they join? So I think here with the help of this discussion, I think it will be profitable for them. And I think there is no one differences of boys and girls, because I want to ask this question to you also, that many times many people have such type of mentality that girls cannot just work in this field. But what is your experience about that?
see, in today's time, there is no discrimination in between girl or boy. Whether it is girl, whether it is boy, there is no discrimination. Girls are also can do anything which the boys are doing. So there is no difference in between girls or boys. The mentality is the same.
And one thing is also, Abhijit, last time I was talking with one newcomer. So he was saying, sir, in this field, definitely the whole day we have to just travel and do the journey and ride bike, or by which vehicle you have to meet with doctors. So definitely you have to suffer something. And second, the very important, that they have to meet with different types of doctors, and you have some burden also in this field, like some seniors are just also just getting reply, and they are getting target also. So such type of burden also you are feeling in this field.
So yes, definitely what Shri sir had said, that you sometimes you feel burden. So see, the case is, if you are working in a multinational company, definitely you feel some burden, because there is a target which you have to achieve, and there is one thing is there, that if you achieve the target, you get incentive also. So if you are working in a multinational company, absolutely there is a burden, but if you are get habitual with that,
But I think that burden should not be taken like a
yeah,
burden.
yeah, of course,
Because
of course.
day by day, in starting maybe it can be like a burden, but
Yes,
day by
yes.
day when you will work, so it will be habitual, I think. So
Yeah, yeah.
it will be not a problem for any one guy who can just adjust according to the condition. Because in starting days, only it can be a burden.
Yes.
But who has worked 6 months, 1 year, so I think he will not just feel like a burden.
Yes, yes.
Because it will be like in daily routine. So in daily routine, what's happening now, so he will adjust according to the condition.
Yes.
I think.
Yes.
So it's my personal experience why I'm just saying, because many other students, they have just shared many times. I have asked this question, so they have also just answered in this manner that it's not a burden. It's the only burden in starting days, but after being habitual, it's not a burden.
Yes, of
Because we
course.
have to work, and honestly, if we are working, so there is no doubt the target will be achieved. So it's a reality. I think with you also it will happen.
That's all I also want to say in the end, that if you are when you get habitual, there is no burden you feel like, and you can work effortlessly towards your job. That's it.
And one thing is also, because it's a period of COVID, and many other guys who are working in this field. So earlier, since last month, till last month, they were working work from home, and companies were giving all the facilities and like salary packages without any risk, and from their work they were working, they were calling to the doctors, and means all the works were running. So I think in this field, after this pandemic, it's a pandemic, COVID-19. So in this period, I think in these fields, if the future is secure, so I think there is no doubt for other guys also who are interested to go in this sector and to make their career.
Yes,
So
yes.
they can just take decisions, and they can easily just join this field.
Of course, of
And
course.
for their future, also if somebody are in doubt that in future maybe what will happen, and how can I survive in whole life in this field. So I think it's not a problem, because I have already discussed with many people, and you are also just meeting with many seniors
Yes.
in field. So what they were just giving the answer of this question.
They are they are very well aware about that of course the target is there, but they are habitual with that, and they are easily doing their targets and getting incentives. So there is no doubt that you are not get successful in this field. You better you can do better from anyone else. So yeah.
So I think it's a too good, and this period in which some newcomers who are interested to make their career, so they can also just be perfect in their communication skill and their personality also, if they are if they are serious towards these qualities, how to improve. So they can watch these videos, and with the help of these videos definitely they can improve themselves. And today I have just tried to give you that experience which is really very important, and that's why I want to say it's a very special video, and with the help of this video a great motivation for those guys who are really interested to make their career in this field. And I just promise with you next time again I will just here sit with a new guy, and definitely with some new experience. So just wait and watch. Thank you.